In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect guitar to Amplitube 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up the Amplitube 5 software and make sure that your guitar is properly connected. So, all that you have to do is establish a physical connection between your guitar and your PC or laptop running Amplitube 5. So, to get this started, like I said, establish the physical connection. There are various different ways to get this done. Usually, you will have to use an audio interface that has a USB connection. An example would be the iRig USB. This is made by the same manufacturers of the software, and it is easy to set up. As you can see, it has a port where you plug in a guitar, and one of the ports will give you access to USB, and then you can just plug it into your computer easily, allowing you to manage your instruments that are currently connected through the Amplitube software. But like I said, there are other models to choose from. This is simply an example that I chose for this video. All that you have to do is establish the physical connection. So usually you will be purchasing a guitar jack cable like this one, and you plug one end of the guitar jack cable into the guitar itself. Usually it is going to be at the bottom here. So once you plug it in thoroughly, the other end should go into the interface that you are using, in this case the iRig USB. With this done, you will be able to finish the connection by plugging it in to a USB port on your PC or laptop. Now open Amplitube 5, and whenever you choose to go into these settings, you will be able to set up your guitar. All that you have to do is make sure that the physical connection was successfully established. There is no secret. It is going to be automatically detected, and if you notice that for whatever reason the connection doesn't seem to be working, or it doesn't appear under the audio/MIDI settings, then double check the drivers. You might have to download additional software depending on your guitar model and manufacturer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect guitar to Amplitube 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.